Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is things to be aware before starting an online business. Number 1, from where we should import products. If you have low capital, you should import from somewhere your own state. Otherwise, you can import from around the world. If you know someone who can make quality product in your own town, you can import from them as well. It will help you to stay in stock, as it takes less time to ship items. Number 2, returns avoid such marketplaces, which has a high return ratio. Number 3, scalability. Your business can grow on that website or marketplace, which facilitate the consumers most. In that marketplace, which give the value to consumers, so wisely, choose your marketplace. Number 4, product research. Firstly, you have to do a market research in which marketplace you want to launch your business. However, you can sell generic product, branded products after getting approvals from a brand, and you can also launch your own brand. It's totally up to you. Number 6, a bank account will be required. Number 7, required equipment, a laptop, an internet connection, and a printer. Number 8, investment required. You do not need fixed amount to invest in your business. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.